Welcome to Weld Fab World. Wrench. In today's video, we're exploring a critical topic in welding: weld crack types. Weld cracks are serious defects that can compromise structural integrity if not detected and repaired properly. Let's dive into each type and understand what causes them, and how to prevent them. What are weld cracks? Weld cracks occur in or near welds due to stresses, poor technique, or rapid cooling. If ignored, they can lead to major failures, so identifying and fixing them is essential. Face crack. A face crack is a surface crack on the weld face, caused by rapid cooling, high stress, or poor welding technique. To prevent it, use proper preheating, low hydrogen electrodes, and controlled heat input. Fix it by grinding and re-welding. Transverse crack. A transverse crack runs perpendicular to the weld bead or pipe axis. It's typically caused by high residual stresses or improper technique. It weakens the joint significantly and needs careful removal and re-welding. Underbead crack. Underbead cracks form beneath the weld bead in the heat-affected zone or has. Caused by hydrogen content and rapid cooling, they're tough to spot but dangerous. Fix with proper preheat and welding technique. Longitudinal crack. A longitudinal crack runs parallel to the weld bead. Common reasons: shrinkage stress, poor design, or bad welding techniques. Careful removal and re-welding are essential here. Toe crack. Toe cracks appear where weld meets the base metal. They're often caused by high stress, rapid cooling, or fatigue. Prevention: control heat input and apply proper stress relief before re-welding. Root crack. A root crack forms at the weld root, the deepest part of the joint. Usually from poor penetration or lack of fusion. Remove completely and re-weld to ensure joint integrity. Crater crack. Crater cracks show up at the end of a weld bead. They're caused by improper stopping techniques or rapid cooling. Prevention is easy. Always fill the crater properly before ending the weld. This diagram visually shows all the different types of cracks in a weld: face, root, toe, underbead, transverse, longitudinal, and crater cracks. Understanding where these occur helps in inspection and repair. Checkmark. Conclusion 330. Studio microphone narrator. Remember, welding isn't just about joining metals, it's about doing it safely and reliably. Identifying these cracks early and applying correct techniques can save time, money, and even lives. Light bulb call to action. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more welding insights, bell, and comment below if you faced any of these cracks on site.